Hi Laura, here's the video for you on how to create a landing page on the site. Sorry for the delay in getting this to you. It's been a busy week. Anyway, so to create a page, all you're going to do is just create a normal page, come to Pages, click Add New, and then I've titled this one Landing Page just for the samples you can see right there. The next thing that you're going to want to do is change the template to landing page right here and upload a featured image. So we'll just find one that we've been using. Here, we'll just use this one. I know it's big enough. Okay. And then, so that is set the header of the page. You're going to have this as the nice hero image background, and landing page will be the title on top, and we'll see that in just a minute. You can ignore these quick page post redirect, Yoast SEO, page banner settings. What we're going to start working in is this content area. So what we're going to do is we're going to define each section of the page, and then we're just going to work our way top to bottom. And you define those by adding a content section here. So we're going to start by adding just a regular content section. All this is a content editor, as you can see right here. The cool thing with this is we've added the ability to format your text, and it will display appropriately on the back end like it would on the front end. So let's just write in some. This is the title. This is the body paragraph. And as you can see, the title is styled appropriately. You've probably seen that throughout the site already. The coolest thing is we can add buttons. You might have seen this as well, but we'll just make this a link. We'll just say, actually, for the sake of, you can search for a page here. So let's link to Contact Us. And then we'll come up here to Formats and we'll click Button. Also, if you want to format and do uppercase, you can do that as well, or capitalized and so forth. And then we can update this, and if we go open the page, you'll see we have our hero, and then we have our title, body paragraph, and the button, which properly links to the Contact Us page. So that's looking good. The next thing that we'll want to do is we can center this so that it looks a little bit better, and update, and that should be reflective on there. Yep, there it is. So say we want to add a 50-50 section where you just have content on one side and an image on the other side. We've used these on the services page and so forth, and I think you'll use these a lot. You can do another title. Let's highlight that as a heading 1 and just add the copy. You can put the content position on the left to the right. We'll add an image. Let's just add this one and update. Wait for it to load. And there it is. Now this was a really big image, so I wouldn't recommend putting in, I think this was 3,000 pixels wide. So I would recommend putting in something more like 800 pixels and so forth. And you can see you have your copy over here. And we could even add another one just really easily. Title, copy, button. We'll just make this actually look like a button. Put that on the right. Maybe let's get a smaller image. That one's 1066, and let's do, these are still a little bit big, but should be fine. Alright, waiting for it to load. And there you go. There's the image on the left with your title and your copy. The other thing that we can do is we can reorder these as well if you want to, so you can just drag and drop. So that's pretty nice. And then we can add in a client logos. We can add in a call to action section, which is pretty great, where you can put in contact us, contact us. This is the title for the actual pop-up that appears. For help, background color, we'll want to select something different. oops, apparently we have multiple pop-up titles, and then you put in the Gravity Forms ID, which I know that there's one. And then there you go. So we do the pop-up, and there's your Gravity Form. So it looks like I do need to edit a few of these pop-up titles. So I think this one will work. So I'll get that taken care of. We'll refresh again. And yep, well, it showed up, what can we help you build? So I'll fix that, and that'll be working where you'll be able to edit the pop-up title. The final thing that you can use the progress bar like we did on Patients First, and you can use client logos. If you have any need for anything else, let me know, but hopefully this will cover everything to help keep everything in style for all the other pages that we're working on. I think you'll find this content section really useful. You can add images on here if you need to, and then the 50/50 section should be really helpful as well. So let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.